In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing format. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might have a Google Sheet document that you need to convert to an Excel file and keep all your formatting, formulas, and data intact. So all you want to do firstly is open up Google Sheets. So when you search up Google Sheets, it's going to show up something like this. Just click on this and it's going to obviously open a brand new spreadsheet. But let's say you don't want to open a brand new one, just go to File and press open, and then you can just open whichever spreadsheet you have that's already on Google Sheets. Then from here, all you want to do is, once you're ready to export it and have it ready on Microsoft Excel, on the very top, you're going to see File, then just go down until you find a download. Then you're going to see Microsoft Excel as the very first option, which is going to download it as an XLSX file for Microsoft Excel. So just click on that and it's just going to download as that file. And then you can literally just open up Microsoft Excel, and then your spreadsheet is going to open exactly how you want it to, just as you would see it in Google Sheets, but on Microsoft Excel instead. It's a lot more efficient because you can use it locally. Let's say if you're going on a flight, but you need to edit that spreadsheet, you can do that using Excel because, you might not have internet connection to use Google Sheets when you're on a flight or anything like that.